CoinPayments is a cryptocurrency payment gateway, allowing merchants and users to send, receive, and store over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, across 180-plus countries. Create an account, visit CoinPayments, net or download the app. Click Sign Up. Enter email, username, password, and optional referral code. Verify email via confirmation link. Complete KYC, optional. For higher limits or merchant features, go to Account. Verification. Upload ID, for example, passport, driver's license, and proof of address. Approval takes 1 to 2 days. Setup. Wallet. Log in, go to your wallet. Generate addresses for desired coins, for example, BTC, ETH. Secure with 2FA, Google Authenticator, under Settings. Receive payments. Share your wallet address or QR code with payers. For merchants, integrate via API or plugins, for example, WooCommerce, Shopify. Funds deposit instantly. Track in transactions. Send payments. Click Send or Withdraw. Enter recipient's wallet address, amount, and coin type. Confirm with 2FA. Fees vary by blockchain, like $2 to $5 for BTC. Convert or store. Use coin conversion to swap coins, for example BTC to USDT, with 1% fee. Store securely in CoinPayments wallet, or transfer to external wallets. Tips: enable auto sweep to move funds to cold storage. Check transaction status via reports. Contact support at coinpayments.net for issues. Beware phishing. Use only official platforms. This enables fast, secure crypto transactions for global use.